been a while, but I've been busy with work and school. But these videos are coming out. I just need to find time to do them and record and edit. But yeah, today what we're gonna do is that I'm on my way right now to pick up a actually it's a lip for my TL. It's gonna go at the front. Yeah, it's actually the lip from the Subaru STI. Yeah, I know I don't have a Subaru. I don't have the STI, but I've done a couple of research, and the lip fits. I've seen a couple TLs with them, and they look really good. I'm sure it won't be like a direct fit, but hopefully it won't be too hard to mount it up. Right now, I know the guy selling it. I guess he never really used it, so he's had it for a while. I guess he never really posted it up. He's leaving it to me for a good price, so right now we're gonna go see how it looks, and if I like it, most likely I am gonna pick it up. Yeah, hopefully I'll have enough time to install it today. I should, but who knows? We'll see. But yeah, can't talk. I'll update y'all once I get it. So. Alright, so I just picked it up. Here it is. You can't really see it that good, but it's pretty much just a lip. So what I'm probably gonna do now is go home, see if I can have time to install it. And yeah, stay tuned. It should look pretty good. I mean, the fitment is pretty good. All I have to do is kind of use a heat gun to like bend it into place while I'm screwing it in. So it shouldn't be too hard. It's just should be just time consuming. But yeah, stay tuned. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. My dad is gonna help me out today. So basically what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take off the front bumper again, and we're gonna be installing this lip. It's for an STI, but it should fit. Like I said, I got it probably like 2 weeks ago. Never really put it on, haven't had time, but today is the day. So basically what we're gonna do right now is just pretty much remove the bumper to make it easier. We're gonna kind of line it up, and then we're gonna use the heat gun to line it up pretty good and just drill as we go. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so update, bumper's off. My little brother, if I don't know him. So this is kind of new, but as you can see, it already has a bunch of scrapes. That side has more than this side. This side is less, but it's alright because we're gonna be installing that lip. Basically what we're gonna do right now is we're just kind of test fit it, see the best way to put it on, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to get a heat gun and just kind of mold it into place and screw it in. That's basically it, to be honest. Shouldn't be too hard. You just have to take your time with it and be patient with it. Don't try to rush it. But yeah, I guess right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the bottom so we can go ahead and line it up and heat it up. And yeah, they don't know what that is. They're not car people. All right, so yeah, I will update y'all once I do that. All right, so I did forget to mention I am not a professional at doing this. So the way I do it, it's my way. I'm sure there's other ways to do it. Just heads up. Don't think that that I know what I'm doing. Make sense? I'm just kind of doing it to do it, for experience. But yeah, this is yeah, just keep watching for entertainment, I guess, you know, because that's all it's pretty much going to be. For my experience, you know, like I said in the YouTube intro video, this is just me doing it. So yeah. So update, here it is. What we did pretty much. I mean, we did it to the best, you know. I know people are gonna say it's not perfect, but you know what? I don't care. This is me just doing it, you know. It's been sitting here for 2 weeks, and shout out to my dad for helping me install it. Basically, I mean, we just kind of heated up the middle where the gaps are, so we can make it easier to push up. And then we got the drill. We just put screws, and then we started from the middle because we decided that would be the easiest, to like get it evened up. And then we just started. Bye. And then we just started from the middle, and then we went to the right and then to the left, you know, putting screws little by little. But pretty much here it is, you know. There's no gaps, and I mean, yeah, this is pretty much the look I was going for. All right, so it's a new day. I'm be honest, I forgot to record on how the lip ended up looking on the car. Don't worry, that will be in the future, so stay tuned. The way I'm gonna end this video here now is I'm gonna talk about what exhaust setup I have on my car, because I know a lot of you have been asking about it. So I'm gonna tell you what it is, and I'm gonna show you how it sounds. So I mean, right off the bat, you see right here I have aftermarket burnt tips. This is the Tsudo catback. It didn't come with burnt tips, but I wanted that look, so I said fuck it, and yeah, I got other tips. So Tsudo catback, burnt tips, and I also went ahead and deleted the resonator. So, and then moving forward, I have the third cat delete, and then I have the ATLP version 2 J Pipe, and then once in a while you might hear a little whistling noise. I'm not supercharged, not yet. Stay tuned, maybe, I don't know. That's the whistling noise is my intake. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that's basically my exhaust setup. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a comment, like the video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content. Peace out.